Today on World Famous Foods, turkey melt sandwich. Let's cook. Okay, put some butter in the pan. Then we're gonna heat up our Mesquite smoke turkey breasts. Okay, take out our turkey. Oh yeah, it's smelling good. Okay, so a little bit of mayonnaise. You'll make a little sauce here. Some mustard. And some ketchup. Mix this all up. Okay. Oh, add some cayenne pepper. All right. Okay. Butter in the pan. So we're going to be using our Ciabatta Baguette to do our sandwich. Put this in here. Get this nice and warm. All right, baguette is good to go. Let's take this out. Okay, so let's make our sandwich. We got our sauce here. Spread this on the bottom. Spread this on the top. Be right back. All right, now we're gonna put our turkey. Okay, Ron, again, no free food, my buddy. Then we're gonna put some tomatoes. Some lettuce on here. Again, this was supposed to be our Thanksgiving sandwich, but you know how things are. Some more turkey. Now some pepper jack cheese. Are we gonna put this in the oven? And let the cheese melt. Okay, here's our sandwich just before we put it in the oven. Look at that. Just let that cheese melt. All right, here's our sandwich, fresh from the oven. Look at this. Look at this. Nicely melted. Now, the crunch, look at that. World Famous Foods turkey melt. See that? Okay, let's enjoy.